What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another brand new video. Now in this one, I'm going to be showing you the exact EA we use to pass a 200k challenge from FTMO from scratch with zero manual trading involved. All we use is a web tool, fixed lot sizes. I'm going to show you the best way to get a payout after you pass the challenge. You're not going to want to miss this video, so stick around, stay tuned. Let's get after it. To the video. Now, if it's your first time here, thank you so much for taking your time to view our videos. If you don't know what we're all about, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment in the video below if you have any questions. We upload every single day. We specialize in prop firm trading with EAs, with MT4, MT5 expert advisors. We talk about prop firms, old prop firms to the new players coming in. We give you tips on how to pass challenges, as well as tips on how to get your payout from your funded account. All right. If you have any other questions, you can join our Telegram channel. It's 100% free. We have 13,000 plus members in there. We upload every single day of our EA performance, of course, payouts that our clients get and our customers get from our EAs. And if you have any questions that can't be answered in this video, make sure you send us a message on Telegram. A trading manager will be able to answer any questions that you may have. All right, guys. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you the EAs that we use to pass a FTMO account. For those of you guys don't know, we have three core EAs that we use, which is the Forex EA, which trades EU and GU. Then we have the US 30 EA, self-explanatory, trading US 30 between just on New York session. And then we have the Gold EA, which is extremely popular for funded accounts. Now, I know a lot of you guys are going to ask us if you can use the US 30 to pass and trade funded accounts. The answer is yes. The US 30 EA is actually the longest running EA that we have. I'm going to show you one of our track records here. This EA has been running on IC markets since December of 2023. Been running for almost 2 years, guys, and we're close to clearing about 300% in terms of gains. The drawdown is very low. You actually can set it. It's between 1 to 2%, totally up to you. And we're making consistent returns from 4 all the way up to 10% per month. But in this video, we'll be using the EA, which is the Forex EA, another popular EA that we have. We're trading the EU and GU pair, which is 2 pairs that you can trade. You can also trade gold on it as well, just depending on your prop firm and depending on your risk management skills. All right, guys. Now let's head over to our shows or trader stores. I'm going to show you the 200k account. We actually started this account on April 9th, and we traded it for about 2 days already. And actually, today is the second day that we're trading it, and we're already up 1.33%. And the goal here is to trade it nice and slow, but very precisely while respecting the rules of FTMO. We're aiming to do 1 to 2% a day. And this account is a two-step assessment. So essentially, you need to hit 10% in order to pass that. So we're going to do about 1 to 2% daily. So you can look forward to passing this between 8 to 10 days, trading days, in order to pass this challenge. All right, guys, but I'll make a quick update when we get up to the middle, which is 5%, and I'll make another video at 10% if I can catch it, because sometimes it can just pass very quickly. It can take 5 days to pass. It can take 6 days to pass, really depending on the market conditions. If you guys have never heard of FTMO before, which I highly doubt, you guys can check them out at ftmo.com. Tons of challenges on there, tons of assessments, different pricing for different account sizes. We always recommend between 50k to 200k. This is basically the standard. The default would be 100k. That would be the easiest to pass. And I know a lot of you guys ask us about the one-step challenge. We don't really recommend it because it's only 3% in terms of daily loss. So if you lose 3 trades in a row in any manner, you basically fail the challenge. Whereas if you choose a 2-step, you get an additional 2%, which is essentially 2 trades or even 4 trades, depending on how you set it. So you have a less chance of failing a challenge, right? So it's just worth it in terms of getting the 2-step. We don't really go for the 1-step challenge. Now, if you're from the US, make sure you guys are going on the FTMO US site, which is the Oanda website, because there's 2 different types of FTMOs. This website I'm on right now, it is for international clients. If you're from the US, make sure you head over to the US website. When you go on the website, you should actually be prompted to actually enter the US account. Let me just double check here. Oh yeah, this is the US version, in which I just refreshed it, which is ftmo.goanda.com. You guys can actually use MT5 to trade on here as well. If you guys can't use MT5 and you prefer using DXTrade or using CTrader, you can also use our EAs on that. All you need to do is actually use Traders Connect, which is also a web tool, in order for you to connect an MT4, MT5 EA to your DXTrade or CTrader account, etc. All right, I'm going to show you the settings in here. This is the actually CompuTrader. I'm going to go into the gears here, which is the settings. The lot size we're using is actually 14. I don't know if you guys saw that, but 14 right here. And we don't change a lot sizes ever in between the challenge. We never change it. We want to stay consistent throughout the challenge. As you know, FTMO is extremely strict on payouts. So once you trade the challenge account, you finished it at 14 lots, your funded account, we will probably reduce it down to between 8 to 10 lot sizes. We want to trade that consistently until we get the first payout. And we have a structure on how we maximize payouts. We usually aim for 8% for the first payout, 10% for the second payout, and then 12% for the third payout. And we usually just stay between those ranges in order to maximize your payout acceptance. All right, guys. Now for stop limits, always the same, because the Goliath EA uses only pending orders. We never use any type of martingale strategy or any type of leading strategy for this EA. You want to click yes for all three features. So it copies the order directly from your EA. And once it hits that 10%, the EA will stop. And if it hits a drawdown, it usually hits 1.5% or 2%, depending on your settings, it will also stop as well, trading for the entire day. So essentially, you're only risking 1 to 2% a day, and you're also trying to win 1 to 2% a day. Or in other words, it's a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio or 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio. Or guys, this is the consistency you need to trade in order to get a payout from that TMO. Now, I hope that helped a bit for the video. But if you have any other questions, make sure you guys check out our Telegram, message a trading manager if you have any other questions, or leave a comment in the description below, and we'll get back to you. All right, guys?